Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AutoCAD electrical engineering. First, begin by exploring the user interface. Focus on understanding the ribbon, tool palettes, and command line. Practice basic drawing commands like lines, circles, and arcs. Set up your drawing units and limits. Create a new project and save your work regularly. This foundational knowledge is crucial for all subsequent steps. Next, dive into the electrical-specific features. Learn to insert and edit components like push-buttons, relays, and motors. Understand how to draw wires and assign wire numbers automatically. Explore the symbol builder to create custom components. Practice generating reports such as bills of materials and wire lists. These tools streamline your design process significantly. Once you've mastered the basics, move on to advanced techniques. Learn about PLC-I/O modules and how to manage terminal strips effectively. Discover how to create and modify custom symbols to fit your specific needs. Explore the project database and template customization. Understanding these advanced features will greatly enhance your productivity and design accuracy. Finally, consistent practice is key to becoming proficient. Work through real-world electrical engineering projects to solidify your understanding. Leverage online resources, including official Autodesk tutorials and forums, for ongoing learning. Consider joining a user group to connect with other professionals. Continuous learning ensures you stay updated with new features and best practices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.